In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to embed a video inside of beacons.ai. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up beacons.ai on your favorite browser and then go and log into your account or register for an account if you don't already have one. From here, you'll need to go over to the menu and go over to link in bio and website. From here, you'll see this page called websites and you'll need to click on that and either create a new website or go over to the edit button over here on your specific website that you want to embed a video on. From here, it should bring something like this. And here you'll need to go up to section and down to either YouTube, Instagram feed, TikTok, so you can embed a video. From here, you'll just need to click on it. And then from here, you can go over to the YouTube section over here in the right hand corner and go down to where it says YouTube video and where you can paste in a link that you can then embed into the website like so. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See you.